back to my channel. This is Mega K Brick Warrior. Today I will be building this. The P40 Warhawk 332nd Air Fighter Group, known as the Tuskegee Airman. This set has 519 pieces. Here's the data plate. Here's the back of the box. Let's take a look inside. Comes in a nice brown box like this. Interesting. And there's the Brickmania logo. As always, winners up on their build. Thank you for supporting Brickmania. Daniel Siskin, Commander Chief. So here's the instruction book. That's very nice. And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags, and all the planets in this box. So here we go. I will sort out the pieces and do the build. finished build of the P40 Warhawk, the 332nd fighter group. So I'll let it go on with this and show it in all angles. So this is the minifig right here. It comes with the regular aviator helmet and his 360-degree printed around, and you reprint it front and back. And I'll pause the video and come back after I put the pilot inside the plane. So here's the plane with the pilot inside. If you look it straight, and the properly do spin, and you got retractable landing gear. By doing, we do it like this. Like this. Like this. Oh. Do it like this. This kind of little fragile right there, but the rest is solid build. I really like to enjoy the build. So I just had trouble making the wings, but I finally got onto it and figure it out. So I'm gonna detract the landing gear and put it into landing position. That's big. Tricky. So it also comes with this brick built fuel tank, which you attach at the bottom right here. Okay, there you go. Got it. So it does come with a lot of printing elements. Like on this side right here, that's printed, and on the wings it's also printed, and on the sides right here and the other side is printed. The only stickers is right here on the tail and the other side of the tail, right here, and then the under the wing. Okay. Well, I really enjoyed this build. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.